Doing things I am definitely going to regret in the future or even right now. I am going to attempt the worst ever British accent. Here goes nothing. Nobody should come for me, okay? I'm just messing around. It's gonna end badly, but we'll see. Hello, mate. Today we are making banoffee pie. One moment, please. I need a bowl of water. I think I got that one right. Okay guys, so banoffee pie is a no-bake dessert, or rather this recipe I'm going to share with you guys is no-bake. It looks super easy and I'm pretty excited to see how it all turns out. Anyway, let's get baking, or rather let's get making, shall we? For the banoffee pie, we need only 5 ingredients. I have some crushed graham-like crackers. I use this Leibniz one available here. Bananas, heavy cream, melted butter, and dulce de leche. If you want to know how it is made with sweetened condensed milk, I have linked another video to show you how that is done. To the crushed biscuits, pour in the melted butter and combine thoroughly. I tried to crush my biscuits as smoothly as possible, but it had other plans. Get a spring foam pan and tip the biscuit butter thing in it. You really have to use a spring foam pan for this one because you need something that can be pulled apart, simply put. Press and smoothen your biscuit base as tightly as possible. Use your spatula, your hand, a small bowl, anything to get it compact, smooth, and relatively leveled. Once you are pleased with your pressing skills, pop it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Next step is to spread the entire can of dulce de leche. Again, you want to make it as leveled and smooth as possible. For this one, I left it for about 4 hours, 30 minutes. Another really long nap in the fridge, say about 2 hours, to make sure everything sets nicely. Just before you bring the half-assembled banoffee pie out, or more like offee pie, prepare your whipped cream, heavy cream, sugar, hand mixer. You know the drill. Set aside for a bit and slice 2 bananas into not so thin or thick, but somewhere in between slices. You know, these little suckers are just all over the place. Fill up your offee pie with your sliced bananas, and you should try to cover as much surface as possible. I got this really cute cake stand on eBay secondhand. Anyway, it is time to release this thing from its bondage. This is why you need a spring foam pan. Maybe you can pull it off with a regular tin and then line with parchment, but I think in that case, a square or rectangular pan will work best because you will not have crinkled parchment paper edges. Now, if I can just get the base off, I am hoping the biscuit base is thick enough at the bottom and it just doesn't break apart on me. That's a good boy. Final step is to cover with whipped cream. You can decide to pile high anyhow you want it. Okay, final step is to get some chocolate shavings on top. A potato peeler actually works well for this. Sprinkle your shaved chocolate and that is it. You are all done. Look how pretty it looks. The biscuit base is slightly resistant, so you need a firm grip to cut through. Look at that cross section. This looks really good. And now for the taste test. As you see, my eyes say everything. It is surprisingly good. I honestly didn't expect it to be this good. There is a crunch from the biscuit base, the richness from the dulce de leche, the banana-y taste of bananas, and of course, the light, creamy taste and texture from the whipped cream. The chocolate is very subtle and guys, I absolutely love it. I recommend 10 over 10. Make it and you will definitely thank me. You do not need an oven, as you see. Super easy, minimal ingredients, and you may actually not even need a hand mixer. You just need your arm, of course, and a normal whisk. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be back next week.